talk about how can you disable private chat notifications on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on notifications. Then come to next step here, click here on private chats. So when you just click on it here, come to this list, come here to notifications, click in this sign or this color. So then here can you just click select if you want to omit it for hours or forever here. So I'm going to click here omit for 1 hour, and like you see it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.